Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Unboxing with Danu. In this episode, under my Shop International collaboration series, we have She's Lab. I want to thank She's Lab so much for sending me your PR package. I really appreciate it. So, on the thank you card, they actually spelled my name incorrectly, but I still appreciate it because it's somewhat the same. So, this is their thank you card. And it says, "We hope you enjoy your products as much as they do making it." So upon unwrapping, I find that they have included a product description card that describes what they have sent in this package, which are the products in the Iceland Aqua series that is infused with hyaluronic acid and is completely vegan. And as you can see, there are 3 products in here, which are the Iceland Aqua Serum, the Iceland Aqua Mask, and also the Iceland Aqua Cream. So while you guys are watching me unbox this package, let me share a little bit about She's Lab. She's Lab is actually a Korean vegan and natural cosmetics and skincare brand that emphasizes the she in She's Lab, where divine and healthy values coexist. She's Lab is known for a wide range of certificates and awards such as EVE Vegan Certified and also the certification of Industry Affiliated Research Institute. She's Lab focuses on providing their customers the best possible quality of skincare products, using only natural ingredients that deliver health and fresh energy to the skin. They aim to provide the best formulations that can be obtained from our planet Earth. She's Lab believes in empowering the customers to achieve a sense of self-confidence and self-divinity through their natural products, and they have been distributing their products worldwide to 19 countries in Europe, North America, South America, Middle East, and Asia through various online platforms, and now in Malaysia. next video.